Okay, everybody, so Chainsaw Man episode 9 was absolutely just one one very, very good badass episode. And guys, this was also Makima's episode to shine and show that 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 even though she can be nice and polite, she will as we've seen throughout these past 9 episodes with Denji, she will use and manipulate anybody to get what she wants and to go to where she wants to go to. Because guys, this episode starts out with Denji basically having a second rematch with the cut with the cut cut with the cut cut with the with his former employer's grandson, the Katana Sword Man. And basically guys, we recap the fact that Hamino is gone, and we see Aki just in this state of shock and disbelief, I guess you would call it. And they say don't let your guard down yet. Remember, our true target is the Chainsaw's heart. And guys, all it takes for Denji to get back in action and ultimately go another round with the swordsman guy from last episode is some ghost and possibly a last gift from Hamino. Basically pulls Pochita's cord, and then that causes Denji to change back into Chainsaw Man mode, and he's like, "Hey, I think I can safely say that you guys are 100% without a doubt pure bad guys at this point." And then Denji's like, "I love bad guys because I don't have to give a shit or care about hurting you." And then the swordsman guy is like, ah, 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 after it's like a keeper tries to use her snake devil thing, the swordsman's like, "Hey, I can go another round with you. I'll just cut you in half this time." And then Denji's like, "Oh yeah, this time you're going to die." And then after we see them go at it so much to the point that because of the enormous amount of Denji's blood volume that he's lost, the Katana swordsman does actually end up winning the battle. And guys, Denji does basically pass out from all the blood he's lost. And the swordsman says, man, I man, I won't be able to fight for a while. But the one good thing about humans is they can be hurt by guns. And then we got to and then we got to the this other part of Japan where Makima's lunch would be higher up that the Public Safety Bureau was supposed to take place. And, and, and we find out that yes, everybody, Makima did manage to survive. And she managed to survive in that without even getting shot at all. But guys, we are never shown if this is how Makima was able to bypass all the bullets or not. But we do find out at the end of the episode that Makima has figured out that how to use this technique where all she has to do is make her hand go a certain way and have a select group of people say this certain phrase that she tells them to say after she does, and they automatically explode. So guys, I believe that's how Makima used this power, because after these two people called Tendo and Kusuro basically me at the train station after they supposedly been informed that Makima was thought to be mortally wounded on the train. They are very surprised to find out when she says, this blood isn't mine. I wasn't even shot. And then they basically fill in about what's happened, and then and then she basically tells them, hey, I'm pretty sure their target is Denji. And then Caruso asks hey Makima, do you want to basically get out of here right now and return to Tokyo to try and help your division of the Security Bureau out? And then no, Makima actually ends up saying all that I can do for Denji and the others at this moment, I can do it from here. Plus Makima reveals that is that she still has to meet with this other excuse me guys, gentlemen, because they have to talk about something. But while all this is going on, guys, the katana swordsman basically says, hey, we got Chainsaw unconscious. Hey, hey, you random idiots that we eyed as thugs. Help us get him into the van and let's get out of here. I won't be able to fight for a while, so we need to skedaddle while we still can. And then instantly, guys, Magima's power to basically basically destroy anybody that she wants. But 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 by having about 30 of Tokyo's worst criminals be summoned to this big shrine that she tells her helpers to basically get. She as them basically she does them the ultimate favor of releasing them from their life sentences by actually killing them, but in exchange she actually frees De, De, Den, Denji from his captors be, 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 because the goons that they hired to basically help Denji get Denji into the van rather to take him back to their headquarters and possibly even the Gun Devil itself are basically taken out by Magima's Twister ability, hence the name of the episode. And my God, guys, this just shows that up until this point, Magima has been knowing that because her ability to basically just kill whoever she wants remotely, possibly even put her in the same vein as the Gun Devil, because she basically blindfolds the inmates and her two helpers, so that her helpers don't basically see the genocide that she created herself, even though it does end up helping Denji. But this the other person named Tendo basically tells Caruso that it said because Magima reports to the chief of the Public Safety Bureau. It said that she has so many contracts with other devils that nobody is allowed to actually know how many contracts she has, but she basically has each inmate say a certain phrase, and as they die, the Katana Blades henchmen basically end up getting massacred along with the inmate, and the Katana Blades, I guess, swordsman's keeper, it is basically able to identify immediately that this power can can only be coming from Makima herself, and that she is alive after all. But before she can but as she's trying to contact Team E, her contact basically gets taken out by Makima's ability as well, and just the random gun genocide throughout the rest of Tokyo and Japan continues to happen with people just basically not being able to control themselves anymore, and Denji ultimately is saved. Although again, guys, Denji remains unconscious at this point. Kamino actually does end up coming in to try and rescue Denji, just as an apology to him for trying to kill him back on the 8th floor of that Tokyo hotel. And guys, after she leaves that, Denji is continuing to bleed out. She basically says, "I'm sorry," and that this job just isn't worth it anymore. And that as soon as I can find Amino or somebody, I'm telling them I quit. And then the episode ends, guys, with Makima finding out that because this gentleman that she left Tokyo to meet with, he's actually quitting, and he tells her that all remain divisions, and every single personnel that all divisions have left are basically now going to become one, and Makima is basically in charge of them all. And then the episode ends with Caruso and Kenyo saying, we'll be out here within the week. And then Makima says, too bad, I heard some of the restaurants out here are really good. So again, guys, this episode truly is Makima's time to shine. And boy, guys, is she one very powerful and badass lady. Again, guys, this episode, Makima goes off like a like again a true psycho killer, really, and badass. Even though she used men who were already proven guilty to give Denji time to recover for now. This proves that Makima should never be underestimated. This episode just on the bloodshed and the amount of death that occurred once again, it is truly badass. And sadly, guys, we only have 3 more weeks with Chainsaw Man Season 1. So I hope you guys found this episode as enjoyable as I did, and keep on rocking. And Makima, you're one badass bitch.